Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're looking for the secret to glowing, youthful skin, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the science behind Aloe Vera Gel, why it's a must-have in your skincare routine, and how you can maximize its potential for radiant skin. Let's get into it. Step 1. The science behind aloe vera's power. Aloe vera is a true skincare powerhouse. It's packed with over 75 active compounds, including vitamins A, C, and E, critical for skin regeneration and combating oxidative stress. The key player here is polysaccharides, which hydrate the skin while helping retain moisture long term. Aloe is also rich in gibberellins, a growth hormone that boosts collagen and elastin production. This makes it a natural anti-aging agent. Step 2. Advanced benefits for your skin. So, how does aloe vera actually give you glowing skin? First, its high water content helps plump and hydrate the skin, giving you that fresh, glowing look. Aloe's enzymes gently exfoliate, sloughing off dead skin cells, while the polysaccharides lock in moisture. But the real magic happens in its ability to promote skin regeneration, helping fade dark spots, even skin tone, and boost skin elasticity. On top of that, aloe vera's anti-inflammatory properties make it incredible for calming skin irritation. Step 3. Pro tips for using aloe vera. Always use pure organic aloe vera gel to avoid additives that could irritate your skin. Apply aloe vera gel on clean skin to allow it to fully absorb and work its magic. If you have sensitive skin, patch test first. Aloe is generally soothing, but it's always best to test a small area before going all in. So there you have it, the science and advanced ways to incorporate aloe vera into your skincare routine for glowing, healthy skin. It's a natural, multifunctional ingredient that deserves a spot in your daily regimen. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use a skincare boost. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth skincare advice, and I'll see you next time.